Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. And in yesterday's driving video, I invite you to come join me for the One Funnel Away Challenge. This is a new 30-day challenge put together by Russell Brunson to help you become an internet marketer and live the .com lifestyle. Now, I receive a whole bunch of questions, emails, and comments on my blog and social media and YouTube channel about the challenge. And the most common question is, what is it? And how do I participate? And can you show me what's inside? So I figure in this video, I'll show you the inside of the One Funnel Away Challenge. So this is the sales page here. And if you haven't joined, you can just click here to join. But if you already joined the challenge like I have, you can just click on members login here. And then we'll just log in. So I'll just log in here. Let me log in. So I just log in. So this is the back end of the One Funnel Away Challenge. So you can see here, there's a welcome video from Russell, and there's a whole bunch of bonus stuff, lots of interviews from other internet marketers to help you get started. And I figure the best way to show you the One Funnel Away Challenge is, instead of me explaining it, I'll just play this intro video and let Russell explain it. So take it away, Russell.
Hey everybody, it's Russell Brunson. Welcome to the One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm so excited to have you here. Now, this challenge is different than probably anything you've ever experienced online before. So I want to make sure you watch this video so you understand what it is and what to expect. That way you can have the most fun and get the most benefit out of it. So some of the reasons why we built this challenge. One of the very first reasons why we built this challenge is because for years and years and years, I've been selling training programs. People would buy it, they get access to a members area, and then we hope that they go and they watch it. And some people would, some people wouldn't. Some people are like, oh, I'll watch it tomorrow. I'll watch it tomorrow. We call this the mañana principle. Oh, tomorrow, mañana we'll do it. And then eventually they never ever do it. And it drove me crazy because the only thing I really care about is getting you results. And so we ran the very first challenge. We thought, well, this one was going to be a little different. It's going to be like Mission Impossible theme, where this thing self-destructed and you lost it if you didn't use it. And so that's what this challenge is. So it's a little different than probably something you've been through in the past. You're like, I'm going to buy this and eventually I'll look at it, because in 30 days from now, this will be gone. Okay, you're buying a 30-day experience. That means you have to participate or else everything you bought disappears. Now you're gonna be getting a big box in the mail with a bunch of books and videos and training, a whole bunch of amazing things. But the core concept, the core fundamental principle that why this challenge is going to work and why it's changed so many people's lives and why it's going to change your life, because it forces you to actually consume and do the actions to get the challenge done. Okay, this game we're playing, how to build a business online, is not that difficult. The hardest part is just actually doing it. And so because of the way this challenge is focused, it's going to force you to actually do it. So this is how it's going to work. What's going to happen is every single day you're going to go through some live training. Okay, in fact, the very first week is what we call Belief Week, where you can go in there and you can watch a bunch of videos to train you, to get you to believe this will actually work for you. The majority of my frustrations is getting people to believe it'll work for them. Okay, and so if you watch these videos, go through these trainings, I promise you by the end of it, you're going to believe it's possible, not just for somebody, but it'll be possible for you. And that's the first step. Okay, then after the Belief Week is over, then we're getting started. And the way it works is every single day, there's going to be a new training that goes live. It'll be unlocked to you. It's going to be a video of me sitting in a room, whiteboarding out and doodling out a really, really important concept that I need you to understand. Then you're going to watch videos from Julie. It's going to show you how to actually implement it. So you watch my videos, it's going to be like, oh, here's the strategy of how it works. Then you watch Julie's, it's like, oh, this is exactly how I do it. And then I want you to jump on every single day, because Stephen Larson will be doing a live training with you every single day. Now, this training is probably one of the most important parts. This is like the literal kick in the butt to get you to move forward and get you to get past every single step. Okay, what's going to happen, I know this because we've been doing this for a long time now, is as soon as you start doing it, you're going to believe it and like, oh, this is true, this concept is true that Russell taught me. Oh, Julie's going to show you how to do it. And then something's going to come up in your head, some kind of mind game, something where you're like, oh, I can't do it because of this or because of this or some reason. And that's why I want you to get on with Stephen, because Stephen's going to help you to believe that you can actually do it. And then you're going to have the chance to go and actually do it. Okay. Now, one core thing about this is if you try to save this stuff up and be like, I'm going to do it on Saturday, I'm going to catch up on all of them, you're not going to have time to get this done. Okay. This requires you to block out at least an hour a day for 30 days. Okay. It's a lot of time for a short, finite period of your life. If you do this every day for 30 days, by the time this is done, you are going to understand the core fundamentals of direct response marketing. You're going to understand a hook, a story, an offer. You're going to understand how to use ClickFunnels, building out pages, driving traffic, all the core fundamentals you have to know to be successful in this game, you're going to learn in the next 30 days. This is by far the cheapest training program we've ever put together. We made it super cheap, super inexpensive because I want you to get a result. Okay? As you go through this, if you follow the process, you will get a result at the end of it, and you will know exactly what to do and how to do it as you move on to the next phases of this internet marketing game that we love so much. Okay? So that's why this whole 30-day challenge is here. But like I said, this whole thing is going to disappear. In 30 days from now, all the content will disappear, the members there, everything will go away. So it's important and essential for you to take action and be part of this community, be part of what's happening. Okay? Now, part of it, as you know, there'll be links down below. There's a separate community for you to join. Inside that community is where you're going to be delivered all the training, new spots for you to discuss and communicate with all the other people that are inside the challenge. People who have taken the challenge in the past, people who are taking it right now. And I encourage you to get immersed in that community. Some of your best friends, your closest business partners will come from that community. And so that's kind of what's happening. I'm so excited for you guys to experience this for the next 30 days. I know this is going to be different than anything you've ever experienced before. But I promise you that if you put forth the time and the effort, by the time this thing is done, the result you'll have gotten for yourself will be amazing. You will understand this whole business, you'll understand all the core fundamentals of this game, and you'll have actually built something inside of ClickFunnels. With that as your foundation, everything you moving forward becomes simpler, okay? And so that's kind of the game plan. Again, thank you so much for being part of the One Funnel Away Challenge. Make sure you block out time every single day to watch the strategy video, go through the tactical trainings, and be on the live calls with Steven so he can kick you in the butt, motivate you, inspire you, and help you to understand that you are literally just one funnel away. That's what this whole challenge is about. Let's get your funnel built. Let's have some fun, and I'll see you guys on the very first training.
Okay, so that is the One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm in it, I've entered it, I'm taking the challenge. I'd like to invite you to come join me so we can take it together. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Looking forward to share my result with you. I'm looking forward to hear your result as well. So if you haven't already joined, click the link below. Links below, and join the challenge, and I'll see you guys inside the challenge, and we're gonna have a lot of fun and go through it together, all right? So I'll see you guys inside the challenge.